I'll be honest with you, in my whole time making videos, I never once thought I'd be doing something like this. Periods suck. Alright, now that we have obvious facts out of the way, let's talk about menstrual cups. Now if you don't know what a menstrual cup is, it's this. Basically, a thing to collect all my period blood into a nice convenient cup for all my vampire friends. So I got the body bay cups because they were super cheap. You can get them either in small or large. Usually a large is for those over 25 or who have had children. However, I got a large anyway because I read online that a lot of people with high cervixes had an issue with the lower region just sucking the cup up like the black hole it is, and then having to struggle to fish it out when it was that time. I have a rather high cervix, so I decided to embrace my 25-year-old post-labor self and suffer any possible problems later. So what does this mean for me as a trans man? I actually originally got this because they're eco-friendly, compared to pads and tampons, and, like I said before, I'm cheap. The thing could basically pay for itself in 1 or 2 cycles. However, to my surprise, it actually has significantly decreased the anxiety and depression that came with getting my period. I think that's mainly because I didn't have to think about it as often. There's no 4-hour replacing, no string to get in the way, less TSS scares, and no issues with dryness or discomfort. I personally use the men's bathroom, and if you've ever been in one, you may notice there aren't any little metal waste baskets inside the stalls. Hence, there wasn't ever an easy way to change out of a pad or tampon in a public men's restroom. Now, it's a lot easier since it is reusable and can last for up to 12 hours depending on your flow. But most importantly, it didn't make this sound. Another thing I noticed is that because it's reusable, there's no more awkwardness at the store when I ninja approach the feminine hygiene aisle. I guess a lot of people may ask about where to put the cup when it's not in use. They came with this little pouch, but it was rather colorful and frilly, so I just cleaned out an old D&D dice bag and used that. I also picked the black and red pack since they can be concealed better than the neon oranges and sonic blues. A lot of people don't know what the menstrual cup is, nor what it looks like, so I don't worry too much about that part of it. I suppose the biggest thing is having one on you when you need it. So it looks like menstrual cups worked for this trans guy, but that doesn't mean it'll work for everyone. Try out different products until you find the one that fits you best.